Okay, today we're going to do profile balancing for my beautiful patient, and the main components of the profile are the nose, lips, and chin. And when they all are coherent, we have an especially beautiful and balanced, harmonious outcome. So we're starting by doing some marking on the nose. There's a small dorsal hump and a little bit of irregularity, slightly bulbous nasal tip. We're marking the midline of the chin, and we're going to have the chin come anteriorly forward to Rydell's line. And then we're marking the subtlest, most natural little lip augmentation to have a little improvement in pink lip show. In addition, we're going to help with jawline augmentation because the chin is really just the anterior most point of the mandible. And so if we have a slightly micrognathic chin, chances are we can benefit from creating a little more structure of the jawline. These are all tiny finesse improvements that are designed to make many millimeter level changes throughout the face without changing the feeling of facial identity. And we're going to create straightness of the dorsum. Here's a little pinch, 1, 2, 3, and we're doing a little slight nasal tip refinement. With non-surgical rhinoplasty, the goal is really to use injectable hyaluronic acid-based filler as if it were a surgical cartilage graft to create a pretty straight contour with a little bit of a feminine lift. By slightly bringing the chin point forward anteriorly, and the chin is a very misunderstood feature. However, when it looks balanced, it really helps the harmony of the face as a whole. So you don't necessarily notice the chin, but you notice that the nose feels a little bit more at home on the face. Here we're going to use a precise micro droplet injection technique to create a little bit of a subtle improvement in pink lip show, Cupid's bow definition, and vertical height of the lip. And the goal here is to create a hydrated lip gloss type of look. And now we're looking at jawline augmentation, where we're going to create better bone structure, the gonial angle, in order to get a more distinct border between the face and the neck, and a nice pretty contour that balances the jawline and the chin together. Okay, beautiful. So we have a nice, beautiful, smooth, straight dorsum, a slight super tip break, a nice balanced nose chin definition, and pretty poutiness of the lip, and a little defined jawline.